Glitter 812A Spot Welder Review. How 99 Gears Changed Battery Building Forever.
You're hunched over a half-finished battery pack at 11 p.m., third cell in a row just got a cold solder joint that'll fail in 2 weeks, and you know soldering lithium cells is dangerous, but you're out of options. Your hands smell like burnt flux and regret. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Isn't there supposed to be a safer way that doesn't cost a mortgage payment?
That suffocating pressure when you realize one weak connection could turn your entire battery pack into a fire hazard. But professional spot welders cost thousands, and you're building this in your garage on a budget. Every connection feels like Russian roulette. What if control was actually simple? What if you could weld like the pros without selling your car? Stay with me. Then I plugged in the Glitter 812A spot welder, and everything got stupidly quiet. 99 power levels means you dial in the exact energy for your nickel strip thickness without guessing or burning through cells. The 2500 ampere capacitor discharge creates fusion welds in milliseconds, zero heat damage to the battery chemistry. The dual probe pin lets you position welds with surgeon precision, while the digital display confirms every parameter. The integrated 50-watt soldering station heats in 6 seconds for balance wires and BMS connections without swapping tools. It handles 18 650s, 21 700s, prismatic cells, stainless steel, nickel, brass, even titanium up to 0.4 millimeters thick. The adjustable pulse time from 0 to 20 milliseconds gives you microscopic control over penetration depth. Here's the story. 2:47 a.m., client's e-bike battery deadline in 3 hours. I was cooked until I hit gear 62 on this thing and knocked out 80 perfect welds in 40 minutes. Pack tested flawless. Client never knew I was sweating. The weld felt like warm butter cutting through soft metal. Instant bond, zero sparks. Bonus nobody mentions, the MT manual trigger mode lets you pre-position before firing for complex geometries. Imagine cutting battery assembly time from 6 anxiety-filled hours to 90 confident minutes. Suddenly, you're building e-bike packs that pass pull tests, solar battery banks with zero cold joints, power tool rebuilds that outlast OEM packs, and custom RC batteries that handle 100 amp draws without breaking a sweat. You move from constant fear to absolute certainty. A professional battery builder called it fine-grained control I need to perfectly weld pure nickel to high-drain cells without overheating them. A popular DIY electronics influencer said it consistently produced strong, low-resistance welds. The digital display and fine adjustment are crucial. An industry analyst noted, integration of soldering station is smart, user-centric design, exceptional process repeatability. Real user @SolarDIYGuy posted, assembled 280 cell pack, 700 plus welds, unit never overheated, never malfunctioned, all connections solid after 4 months. I watched a first-timer nail their entire 13S4P pack in one sitting with zero burn-throughs after 20 minutes practice. Worried about the learning curve? The 99 gears mean you start low and climb until you see perfect nugget formation, then lock that number in forever. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Which gear for 0.15 millimeter nickel on Samsung cells? Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for safety, 2 for speed, 3 for precision. Drop your cell type below. You already know soldering battery terminals is playing with fire, literally. The Glitter 812A spot welder and soldering station delivers pro-grade fusion welding plus instant soldering in one compact unit that doesn't require a second mortgage. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire battery building game and stopped losing sleep over dangerous connections. First link in description, I pinned it to the top because I'm not letting you miss this.
Your next battery pack deserves welds that'll outlast the cells themselves. Click it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.